Referencing. In this video we will see how practically referencing is working. So let's take one example. Here you can see I have taken one table in which 4 salesmen's detail is given. Now salesman number, 4 salesmen and their quarterly sales is given here, right? Q1, Q2, Q3 एंड Q4 में चारों सेल्समैन ने कितना सेल्स किया उसकी डिटेल दे रखी है. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट टोटल कमीशन, आई मीन टोटल their total sales and then their total commission. The commission rate is given 10%. So first of all we are finding out total sales. For that we will write the equation equal to sum bracket. Now we'll select the range of cells from Q1 to Q4. Okay, that is E4 to H4. It automatically come and press enter. Complete the bracket, press enter. So you will get the desired result. Now we'll drag and drop it. So our cell addresses are copied to the other cells and we'll get the answer. Now here we have to find out the commission. Okay, I mean their total sales of salesman number 1 is 16,000. Now 16,000 के ऊपर 10% कमीशन. ठीक है, तो कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? देन 16,000 सेल्समैन नंबर 2 के लिए, 3 के लिए और 4 के लिए सबके लिए कमीशन फिक्स है 0.10%, आई मीन 10%. ओके, सो 10% को हम लोग लिखेंगे 0.10. सो वी कैन डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई आर टोटल सेल्स विथ कमीशन, सो विल गेट द result. So for that I have to find out the 4 salesmen's commission. Okay, so for that I will write 0.10 into one different cell. Okay, 0.10, that is our commission rate. Now I have to multiply it with total sales. Okay, so my equation is equal to, now total sales in which salesman number 1's total sales is in I4. As you can see I4, so I'll select the I4 cell into my commission rate is written on which cell? K4. Okay, so I4 into K4. Now here I will get the value for the first cell. Okay, that is for salesman number 1. Now I'll copy this formula down without absolute referencing, then my cell addresses is to be changed. So I want to how to make it absolute. So for that I have written the dollar sign before the K and 4, $K, $4. And if I copy this formula down, so I'll get the 16,000 into 0.1, 17,000 into 0.1 and 17,600 into 0.1. So automatically the cells are copied without changing its absolute value. So such type of first relative referencing we have seen, in which total sales when we found at that time the sale address is directly copied. Okay, I mean directly copied to the next cell with according to their cell addresses, right? But if I'll make it absolute, then our absolute value is not changed. Whatever part is relative, that is changed. It's called the absolute referencing. So in this example we have seen 2 types of referencing. One is relative referencing and one is absolute referencing. Now this is one more example in which I have taken another table, that is sales table. The salesman number Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 are given. Okay, here It's same like example 1, but the values are changed. Now we have to find out the commission quarterly. Okay, we have to find out the commission quarterly. For that, the next commission chart is given, in which quarter 1.05, then quarter 2.06, like that the commission rates are given. So we have to find out the commission quarterly here. So for that, what equation we will write in quarter 1? Okay, commission new is the new table in which we have to find out the commission rate. So for that, we have to calculate first our quarter 1 salesman number 1, that is 3200 into 0.05, 2500 into 0.06, like that we have to find out. So what we are doing here, what one equation we will write? First of all, I will write 3200